Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to short or sell a crypto on the Kraken Pro app. So first thing, open your Kraken Pro app and sign in into your account. At the bottom, tap on the chart icon to open the trading screen. Once the chart loads, you will see the order panel pop up. By default, it is usually set to buy, so go ahead and switch it to sell. Now enter the amount you want to short. You can enter in crypto or in USD. For example, let's say $15. Before placing the order, it is good idea to manage your risk. So enable take profit and stop loss. For example, you can set a 2% take profit and the 10% stop loss, depending on your strategy. Once everything looks good, review the details and confirm the sell order. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.